Yeah, 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 yeah. Ha! If I wasn't me, who the fuck would I be? I'll probably be a broke nigga in the street with no money and no food to eat, no clothes on my back and no shoes on my feet. But since I'm B-I-double-G, I got to stay fly, hold my paper, bake my cake, I raise my stakes, and I gotta give thanks to the man upstate. I don't feel good, I just feel great. I'm not from your hood, I'm from Edo State. So wait, now think before you hate. I don't need no oven because my cake already baked. I hope I'm not too late to apologize. I hope I'm not too late to pluck out your eyes. I really hope that you are not surprised. I like big ass, thin waist, and thick. Mr. Big Splash, Mr. Body Rocker, Mr. Hennessy, Cavassier, and vodka. Splash is a motherfucker. All you gotta do is bring your mother close and watch how I fuck her. Like Vietnam, I drop bombs. Just like that, I drop moms. Like Vietnam, I drop bombs. And just like your dad, I said I drop moms. So better bring a rubber. You don't want my son to be a younger brother. You better run and go undercover. You better keep it on the low. Nobody should know that I'm your mother's lover. Yeah, punk, my whip game proper. Got game cause I got it from my papa. That's why my flow spin like helicopter and blast your back like a walk on me. Rack, rack, you better run anytime you see splash, splash. Lay you on the floor, give your ass a good trash, trash. I'm fast, so I like fast cash. Young money, you can call me Young Cash. Moo moo, moo moo. I hit you so hard, I make you poo poo. Talk behind my back when I do my Yahoo say. Hey fool, what did you say? I'm flying like a flight to the UK. That's why my name in your mouth like toothache. Well, I squeeze gats like toothpaste. I don't run, I just move to a new place, a new house. I'm in a new mansion. Live life like last camera action. Don't take a picture, please take a movie. I don't stay still, I keep it moving. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's still grooving up, we stay tough, we play rough. Before you pass, you need a puff. I'm the Pirates of the Caribbean, you Simba the Sailor. Got more game than Chooks Taylor. Chooks Taylor? What I really mean, I got game like Chuck Taylor. Or probably Jason, my shit is still amazing. Like Johnny Cage or Johnny, I keep it blazing. The shit is so real, this boy got skills. Look me up, I do the prison break like Michael Schofield. You never see grouping up, future and Big Splash. Dumbass, grouping up is Big Splash. 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 Nah, I mean, it's B-I-double-G. The CEO of Groovin' Up, we stay tough, we play rough, and we don't bluff. This is the freestyle. Shout out to Neptunes, Mr. Me Too with the clips, and all y'all listen to this. See Flow, Lockdown Lizzy Records, that's why. The whole family, the whole crew, Mr. Me Too. Girls, you miss me? Well, I miss you too. No bullshit. AK-47 clip? Yeah, sure, I will pull it. I mean, it's Stevie Town at Edo State. I'm not from your hood, my town is too great. Know what I mean? Yeah.